Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we go all the way to the Volta region. We bring you Fetridetsi, also known as Okro soup. This one without palm oil. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. So we start off by blending our ginger, garlic and onion. We wash our beef nicely and then we pour our blended spice onto our beef, add stock cube and salt, stir everything together and leave it to steam. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box down below, so do check it out. We would also pick out our Ademe. We take the bad ones from the good one and also take the leaves from the stem. Afterwards, we wash the ademe nicely. Usually wash it about 3 times. You wash it on the surface of the water, so if there's any sand on the leaves, it goes under the water. I don't know if that makes sense. After washing, we'll set it aside and then we'll cut our okro as well. So our okro is cut and ready. I add some chopped onions and water. I also add some saltpeter or it's totally optional. You can use sodium bicarbonate if you have. I also add stinky fish or momoni to give it some flavor, Now we'll leave the okra to boil. Our beef is boiling now. I would then add my wele that has been neatly cleaned. What's Wele's English name? Leave it in the comment section down below. Now whilst that is also ongoing, would behead anchovies or abobi or keta schoolboys as Ghanaians call it. After taking off the head from the abobi, we would also add some salt and wash it. I'll demonstrate that later. Now I'm pouring some hot water in my pot and adding some live crab. Yes, they are live. So you put them in the hot water. Once the water boils, it kills them. I feel like a murderer right now, but well, we move. This soup, I must say, is protein packed, guys. It's protein packed. Our okra is now boiling, so this is the perfect time to add Ademe leaves, and I added them gradually so that it doesn't like spill over. Our crab is also ready. For you to know that it's ready, the shell changes from black to orange, then you know that it's ready. So we also added it to our meat that is already steaming, so the flavor again infuses into the crab as well. From there, I add some tilapia as well. I've been marinating this for about 10 minutes. So after adding the tilapia, I'll then go ahead and add the okra that has been boiling. Now, this soup was requested by my colleagues at work, so they were specific as to what kind of proteins they wanted in the soup. So yeah, we have some smoked catfish. We added some smoked mackerel as well, and then we are going to wash our anchovies. So anchovies has like a lot of sand because of how it's dried, so you also have to wash it thoroughly. I add sea salt before washing so it doesn't itch. Anchovies can really, the dry ones can really itch your throat, or I don't know if it's for everybody, but for me, I usually get itchy throat when I take it, so I wash it with sea salt and I don't experience that. Now that we've added all our proteins, I added some green habanero pepper or kpakposhito to top it to like lock that flavor in. I tasted for salt and I needed a little bit more, so I added it, and Our soup is going to be served with some hot ewokbele. I'll be sharing the akple recipe on the channel pretty soon. So yeah, now that our soup is ready, we are going to serve and dig right in. Guys, let's have a quick conversation as we addition our food. I have a quick question. Has this channel added any, like, brought any value to you since we started? Like, since you've been watching this channel, has it added any value to you? Have you learned anything new on this channel? Please let me know in the comment section down below. But now take a minute and look at this gorgeousness. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh my god. Let's take a quick taste. I had to repeat it 3 times so you feel it. Now, my colleagues that I told you guys about who requested for the food, I made banku for them. So you can tell how much they are enjoying this. Just look at that. So you need to really try this recipe with your friends and family. And do share this video with your friends and loved ones. Share it with your enemy, your co-workers, your church members, your friends, everybody. I mean, everybody needs to see this content. Yeah. So do share, like, leave a comment, and hope you enjoy this recipe when you try it out. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.